So here we have Meg, our new star cleaning pupil using Hara. Meg, and you've just done 4 hours work on a total clean of my kitchen. It's absolutely sparkling, thank you. And here we have all the cloths, and we're just going to pick them up and throw them in the washing machine. And we're going to use them over and over again. Meg, how did you feel using the Hara cleaning system? What was different?
Well, I didn't have to use any products, any like chemicals or sprays. We just put a little bit of the
Protective formula?
protective formula in a bucket and then use that to rinse the cloths off. And yeah, that's all.
Did you find it was an easier way to clean?
Yes, definitely.
Yes? Would you go back to using the old-fashioned, terrible, stinking chemicals now you've used Hara?
No,
No?
I wouldn't. No.
So you're actually studying something at the moment very special to my heart. What is that?
Yes, I'm studying Western herbal medicine, so natural medicine at uni.
So this is a part-time job that Meg's taken on. Well, it's doing my house. I don't want to lose her. But if anybody's got Hara out there, I'm going to highly recommend her. Thanks, Meg, very much for coming today. We loved having you.
Thank you.